Are you ready to experience raw power and speed on two wheels? Introducing the ZYH Fuel H2 Horizon Road Party motorcycle, built for thrill seekers and road warriors alike. With its V6 EFI engine and double cylinder performance, this R3 sports motorcycle offers unmatched acceleration and responsive control, perfect for highway races or cruising through the city. Its bold design, aerodynamic frame, and aggressive stance make it a showstopper wherever you ride. Whether you're heading to a road party or just craving that adrenaline rush, this bike delivers. Don't miss your chance to ride the future. Click the link in the description to buy now and fuel your adventure with the ZYH Horizon. Quote, subscribe for more high-performance bike reviews and let us know. Would you take this beast for a